Hey guys, welcome back to Junaid TechWala.com. In today's video, I will show you how to change the background color for your vertical video in Wondershare Filmora. As you can see here, I have already imported one of the video, but it's not 100% vertical size. That's why you are able to see this black color on the background side. So to change the background color, first you have to go to the stock media. Under the stock media, you can see library option. Click to this library option. Here you can see many options to apply background color to your vertical video. So let me take any solid color and apply to this. Let me take this background color, drag and double click, rotate in the vertical, adjust to the vertical area. Now you can see the color has been applied to your video. Now let me play the video and let's see. So now background color has been applied and your vertical video looking good. That's it in this video guys. Thanks for watching Junaid TechWala.com. We'll see you in the next video.